what's up and welcome back to a new video. So a few of you, maybe like 5 people out there, have asked me to show you my current skincare routine, and here we are. Also, to add something extra to this video, I've decided to give you like 5 or 6 skincare tips that totally changed my skincare game. So now before starting with the first step, let me walk you through the cleansing stage. So I've actually already washed my face in the shower, like I just took a bath, and this is the cleanser that I use. This one is from the Face Shop again, and it is the Rice Water Bright Cleanser. Now I really like this product. As you can see here, I'm almost out of it. ये पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, and I'll definitely be repurchasing it. I've got my skincare stash right here in my washroom, and now starting with the first tip. That is very important, which is to always wash your hands before starting your makeup, skincare, or even washing your face actually. Now the first step is toner, and I actually use this product from Dermapeak. It's their O2 toning something toner. I'll put in all the product details in the description bar for you to find it easily. So I had this empty bottle and I filled this with the toner that I'm currently using, and I like to just spritz it all over my face. I think it gives a very cooling, calming sensation to your skin, especially during summers. This product retails just for $3.99, so it is like a cheaper toner option available out there. Now if you don't have any problem with having strong fragrances in your products, I think you'll really like it. But I personally don't like a lot of fragrances, or I like either no fragrance or very mild fragrance on my skincare. That is the only reason I won't be repurchasing. But uske alawa, the formula, the coolness, the soothingness that it gives to my skin, that is unmatched for. That is really good. I am looking for new toner options, so here you can help me out. Just go to the comments and give me some toner recommendations from your side. Oh, I think I forgot to tell that I have oily skin, and this is like an oily skincare routine. Also, you'll see this throughout this video that I like to pat my products into my skin. And there's another tip actually. Tip number 2 for toner is try to apply your toner in slightly wet face. If your face is if you just put on your face wash or आपने मुंह धोया हुआ है, try to apply your toner when your face is semi-dry, and that would actually work the best for you. I learned this from some Korean skincare video. Even for serum, when your toner is slightly dry, it's not completely absorbed to your skin, तब अपना serum apply करो. Which brings to me to my second step, which is serum. This one is from the Dermaco, and it's the 10% niacinamide serum. Now I like to take like 3 or 4 drops of it. So I just take it on my hand and just warm it a little and pat it all over my face. Now I will say that the claim it makes for acne marks is kinda true, but you have to make sure that you're using the product consistently for a longer time. Now the next skincare tip is do not forget to apply products on your neck as well. So जो भी आप अपने face पर लगा रहे हो, toner, moisturizer, serum, everything, put it on your neck as well. So a bonus tip for you. So what I like to do is जो भी product अपने face पर लगाती हूँ, I put it down on my neck as well. And there is one extra step that I like to do. I like to take that product जो भी बचा हुआ है and apply it on the back of my hands. Moving on to the next step, which is usually eye cream. But these days I've been doing this fun little experiment where I'm not using eye cream. I just want to see whether it really makes a difference or not. Now, it hasn't been long since I've stopped using it, but I actually don't see like a huge difference. What I usually do is I just take the moisturizer that I'm applying. पहले मैं उसको थोड़ा सा eyes पर लगा के massage कर लेती हूँ, and then I put it all over my face. So that is one thing that I've been experimenting. But before that, I used to use this eye cream from the Mom's Co, and this is a really good product because of this massager right here at the top. Like, can you see? And it just gives a very cooling sensation to your eye, under eyes, when you massage the product with this. So this is a really good product because of this ball here at the top. But these days I've not been using eye cream, so what I like to do is whatever moisturizer I'm applying, I just take a little bit of it and I just massage it between my fingers and apply it on my under eye. And another trick that I learned from a skincare, a Korean skincare video, they just stretch their eyes, very little hair, and massage it in the upwards motion. And this is supposed to give a lifting effect to your under eye. Saggy nahi hota. That's what something that new that I learned from a Korean skincare video. Now, like, Korean skincare is obviously top notch, so I like to watch like Korean skincare videos quite often. Now there's this skincare mistake that I've seen a lot of people making, which I want you to avoid. So let's talk about that here a little. So I've seen that people don't usually change their products according to the weather. Let me give an example here. This moisturizer, which I absolutely love, which is Palmer's ka Cocoa Butter Formula with Vitamin E. I like to use this moisturizer only during winters because my skin feels extra dry and like in a very bad state and needs extra love in its moisturizing stage in winters. So ये product मैं सिर्फ winters में use करती हूँ. And then for summers I like to use like a gel based moisturizer. So I always make sure that around March I change my skincare routine, I change my products, and then again when it starts getting a little dry in October, November, I again change back to my winter products. So now since we are talking about moisturizer, let me give you another tip related to that, and then I'll show you my favorite moisturizing products. So one more tip or a mistake that I want you to avoid is not using moisturizer, especially if you are of a oily skin type family. Now even I have oily skin and पहले से मुझे भी लगता था कि I don't need moisturizer in summers because मेरी already skin oily है. But that is a bit myth that needs to be busted like anything, because your skin needs moisturizer. Like, repeat after me. Our skin needs moisturizer, whatever the weather may be, whatever the skin type may be. Moisturizer should not be skipped at all. So two of my favorite products like gel based moisturizers are this. First one is this Pond's ka Super Light Gel, and second one is from Neutrogena. It's the Hydro Boost Water Gel. Now if you remember, there's this skincare routine that I showed you last year. Usme also I've talked about this product so much. This is my favorite moisturizer for summers, and this is like a holy grail for me. Let me quickly put this on. Now if you want to see the consistency, this is what the consistency of the product looks like. As I said, it is gel based. Now what I'll do is I'll take some of the product, dot it all over my face, and I just apply this product quite generously because it काफी ज़्यादा light है, as it's written in the name itself. It's like light moisturizer. So I like to apply थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा product, and then I take some of it, apply it on my neck and my décolletage area, because this area needs a lot of love, because that is where your aging shows the most. This just absorbs into your skin like magic, and $2.99 में guys, it's an amazing product. If you're looking for a budget में moisturizer, then go for it. इसका quantity भी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा है. I think it's been more than a month since I've been doing facial massages twice a day, like morning or night time दोनों बार, and I want to share a few with you here. So just take your fingers and यहाँ पे बहुत lightly just go like this. This helps अगर आपकी थोड़ा सा भी लाफ लाइन्स वगैरह डेवलप होने लग गई है, यहाँ पे फाइन लाइन्स आने लग गई है, तो ये उसको हटाने में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. अनदर वन इज फॉर योर फोरहेड. नाउ फोरहेड में फ्राउन लाइन्स या फिर फाइन लाइन्स सबसे ज़्यादा पहले आती हैं. सो अगेन टेक फिंगर्स लाइक दिस and upwards motion में start flicking your fingers, like again very softly. Now believe me, these facial massages have really helped me and मेरी skin को firm करने में और ज़्यादा help कर रहा है. Like obviously right now I don't have any sort of aging lines or anything, but थोड़ा सा fine lines develop होने लग जाती हैं. I am turning 25 soon. Now third one again is for firming your face. So again take the same fingers and यहाँ पे you have to go upwards like this. The same flicking motion but upwards यहाँ पे, and you have to always make sure कि आपने अच्छा सा moisturizer, serum, कोई भी oil ये सब लगाया हो before massaging. Do not massage your face ऐसे ही मतलब dry skin पर. Always have some products on it. Now the next one, which is one of my favorite facial massage exercise and something that I think has really worked on my face, is this one. So here what I'm doing is यहाँ पे just take your chin and with your fingers, like your finger and your thumb, go in this motion. And now the final tip, the one thing that I want you to take away from this video, the one thing that I never wanted to forget, which is using your sunscreen. Guys, I won't be going out after this. I'll just put on some makeup and actually film a couple of videos. I'll stay indoors the entire day. Even then, I never skin my sunscreen, and that is one thing that I want you to always remember. After morning skincare mein, keep it super simple. Maybe like go for toner, moisturizer, even just go for moisturizer, but उसके बाद sunscreen लगाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. So two of my favorite sunscreens are one is from Neutrogena. It's the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+, and second one is this from Q-Rays. I think I've talked about this before also. This is the Matte Pink sunscreen. This one has matcha, green tea and aloe vera, and ये दोनों बहुत अच्छे हैं. I think both of them are for all skin types. So just take like a generous amount of sunscreen, and you can either dot it all over your face and apply it, but I'm actually getting like quite late because we have 2-3 videos shoot करनी है. I have to put on makeup as well, so I'll just take it on my hands, warm it a little bit in between my fingers, and apply it generously all over my face. And you have to obviously take it down to your neck, décolletage, back of your hand. Now I think I forgot to mention that both of these do not leave any sort of white cast, which is actually the reason I really like it. And yes, that's it. My skincare is done. If you want to see a close-up of my skin, this is what it looks like. I have a few acne marks, जो कि वो niacinamide serum is really helping in reducing them. I have a lot of freckles since I have fair skin, and my skin is actually acting really well these days. This skincare routine is working really nicely for me. Now obviously I want you to research about these products, know whether it will work for your skin, and then go for it. Don't just blindly follow what I am saying, because हर एक की skin अलग होती है and every product works different on every skin. Now the question of the day is, what is one skincare product that you cannot live without, like your holy grail? So yes, tell me in the comments. Come and say hi. I'm always hanging around in the comments talking to you guys. So always drop a comment before leaving, and I will see you next time. Also, if you want me to do a part 2 of skincare mistakes to avoid or skincare tips, because I actually have a lot of tips left on my bag, so I can share that with you next time. So अगर आपको part 2 चाहिए, मुझे comments में ज़रूर बताना. And now I'll go. Bye guys. Subscribe करना मत भूलना.